try. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18. Look at this. This is my entire PR boxes. Are you ready? These are 18 boxes full of makeup. Oh my god, save me. Hey guys, welcome back to my another PR haul. I have like these 18 boxes which are literally too much, and first of all I'm very thankful and grateful for all of the brands for sending me, but I just don't want to show off. Also, I'm going to be posting a lot of giveaways, so stay tuned for that. So let's dive into each box before it falls on my head. So before you say, Urvi, you're not going to use most of the products, yes, I know, that's why I have kept everything handy. This is the box for my giveaways, so I'm just going to fill everything which I want to give away to you guys and my family and my friends in this box. So as we like open stuff up, which I've already done, but I just assembled again everything just to show you guys in this video. So I'm just gonna throw stuff in here as well, and you can see like this box is 1/4 empty. Like I've just filled it 1/4, so I'm just gonna plan to fill the box entirely just for you guys. So let's go. Okay, so the first one, I'll just start from here and then we'll move up there. So I work with Myntra a lot, so they have sent in a lot of products for me to try. Again, I create videos for them. So I have the Makeup Revolution X Friends eyeshadow palette. I'm wearing this and I've worn a lot of this recently. Look at it, it's really beautiful. So that one is that. Next up we have the Sugar banana powder. Again, I have used this, I have thoughts on this, but I want to keep my mouth shut for that. Next up we have this Sunshine Mimosa body mist from Bath and Body Works. This is my favorite mist. It smells so juicy, so citrusy. I love it, absolutely love it. Next up I have the MAC NC30 foundation. This is my shade, and this is like in like mini version, which is amazing, but still like for a mini, this I feel like is such a great deal. I don't want to blabber too much, I just want to show you the products, otherwise I will keep reviewing them. I have the Fit Me primer, then I have the Benefit Roller Lash mini mascara again, and I feel like that is it from Myntra. So thank you so much Myntra, I've been using these products. If you'll see it on my Myntra Studio app. Okay, so next up is Pixi. Oh my god, they have sent me these huge parcel. So they've recently launched their remedy masks. I don't know if you can see remedy mask recipes for rehydrating, toning, blah blah, and my hand is paining. Okay, let me just put this down. So they have like 3 of these, like these. You might have seen these on my stories. So the first one, this one is like the vitamin C one. Then I have the milk one, milky remedy. I've tried all of these, by the way. Like I received this last week and I've been trying it. Don't worry, like I've tried all 3 of these. I apply it like a water jelly, kind of like a mask. One of the best thing is that it comes with a spoon. So it's like you just do this. Ouch, you cannot remove it. But you get the gist, like it comes with a spoon right here. And this one is the rose one. So that was it from Pixi. Thank you so much Pixi. Let's dive into one box each. Okay, so we have Eva Cosmetics over here. Now they did a campaign with me for their must-haves, like their birthday campaign. So they sent in this cute little bag. Again, I'm gonna give this bag away, so I'm just gonna keep it here. Then I have their must-haves like lip pencil. My brain is literally like on some other planet right now. So we have their waterproof liquid foundation and concealer. I don't know my shade, so I'm thinking I'll just, like see which is my shade. I forgot my shade name. I think it is medium beige. I'm going to give away one of the foundations away. And then I have this, which is the must-have lip and cheek tint, which I absolutely love. Like one of my favorite is like this one. And I think that is it from Eba. They did send a scarf which is in my cupboard and I'm too lazy to open it. So this is their lip and cheek tint. Like look how, like, oh my god, like this is so pretty, like so pretty. Okay, next up we have Kaya. So my friends at Kaya sent in some products. We have this cute little bag. Again, I don't know if I need it. So I'm gonna ask my cousins, smaller cousins, if they need a bag like this, or my niece, just to give her as a backpack. I have their body lotion. I have a Kaya Derma Naturals face cream. I already have these two products, so I'm just gonna give it away. I'll keep it in the giveaway pile. So this is the blueberry mask and this is a face wash. So I'm just gonna like put that stuff literally in the giveaway pile right now. Kaya, now let's move on to Nykaa. So Nykaa has launched their newly launched like serums. I've received 4 of them in August, but on this month I've received 2 of them. This is the bag. Again, it's like very damaged because I've kept all my makeup in this, but I have 2 of them, which is the Skin Renew AHA, which is 10% AHA and 1% salicylic acid. I feel like this is going to be so amazing for like beginners who want to start in chemical exfoliation. Then we have the 20% vitamin C, and these are the both of the products which I am going to try. So thank you so much, Nykaa. Yes, I did get a reaction from the salicylic acid serum, but I'm not gonna give my hopes. Like, I'm gonna try other serums and see, you know, maybe it's just that isn't working for me. So next up we have Mamaearth. We have 2 lotions from Mamaearth. I'm going to be working with them. So they've sent to me now, and I've already used this one. So as you can see, it is open. I've used this. This is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Body Lotion. This is very, very huge. And then we have the Upton one. So I am gonna like, I haven't opened this one. I'm trying this one out. So that was Mamaearth. Thank you so much, Mamaearth. Next up we have Nykaa. Again, they have sent me their L'Oreal Paris range for the L'Oreal Paris Fashion Week, which was happening. So first up we have my absolute favorite L'Oreal Vitalift 1.5 hyaluronic acid serum. I'm going to give this away because I already have mine and I've already used mine. Like, this is how much I love this. So I want someone, you know, who can try the serum and just love it. So I already have like too many other serums to try, as I said you. So this one is going in my giveaway box, but feel really thankful for Nykaa for sending this. Then we have the micellar water, which I cannot get enough of. This is the Revitalift micellar water. Then I have this chiffon signature lipstick, which they have. This is a new one, like their newly launched ombre range. This is like a burnt brick red kind of a shade. So this is the shade. Next up we have the Super Liner Gel Intensa liner. So again, it is like very good, like very smudge proof. I'm just gonna throw away all the boxes because I just don't need it. So this is that. You'll just see me using these products. Next and lastly from this box is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Already have this and absolutely love it. It is in my makeup vanity. I'm not going to remove that, but I'm going to give this away, or just at least put in my giveaway pile to give to my friends and family. So that was from Nykaa. Thank you, Nykaa. Next up we have Lifebuoy hand sanitizers. They have sent me 4 of these. So me and my family are just going to use it. One is already used by my mom, so I'm just going to keep this aside for all of us to use in the future. Now, what should I go? Should I go like this? Okay, let's go like this. Next up we have Blur India. They have sent in their Don't Touch My Gloss. So this is how it looks. Really cute. And like the packaging is very quirky. Next we have this gloss. Again, this is how it is, like a clear gloss. Where should I swatch it? Like, you cannot even see it, but it's here. So I cannot again wait to try it out. Next up, this is very, I bought Colourpop products. So a couple of weeks ago, Colourpop had their international shipping, free international shipping. So I was like, I am buying something, and I wanted to try, you know, their eyeshadow palettes. They are known for their eyeshadow palettes. So what I did, I just bought 2. I didn't buy many because I already have like 20 other eyeshadow palettes. So I have the Neon Gaze one. I have the Big Leo Energy because I am a Leo. And let me just show you. This is how beautiful it looks. Again, I haven't tried it because I've just like received it. Again, I'm like very busy to try different makeup. Like, I've been creating a lot of videos, so I didn't really get the time, but I'm gonna create something. This is the Neon Gaze. I have a lot of colorful eyeshadow palettes, but I did not have like, this one is very unique, like very neon-y. So I was like, I'm gonna try this one. Again, the packaging is really cool. Again, I'll just talk about it in different videos. Then I have like 2 of these lipsticks, not lipstick, like lip creams from them. So there are 2 colors. One is in Beverly Hills and Strike a Pose. So this is the Beverly Hills one. I'm not gonna lie, these kind of like wash me out, I think, because I just took the wrong shade. But I tried to take the darkest shade, because what happens is that, you know, Colourpop is an American company, so most of the stuff will look good on them, but like I feel like the lipsticks you need to be really careful, especially because they might wash you out, which it did. And there are some of them like these look good on my hand, but like, you know, when I apply on my lips, I feel like I just tend to mix 2-3 of them. If I just applied it like that, it would just wash me out. So these are the 2 shades, but the formulation is great, everything else is great. So yeah, that was from Colourpop. Thank you so much, Colourpop. Why did I say this? Thank you so much, Colourpop? I should thank myself because I bought it. Next up, we have Glow Like Gold. This is from Pond's. Again, this is so hefty, and they gave me like a suitcase. Like a suitcase. Literally, who gives a suitcase? Pond's does. Thank you so much. So once you open it, ouch, you get this big ass mirror and all of their newly launched products. Now I have like 5 of their products. The first one is a gold peel off mask. Then we have a clear radiant face wash. Then I have their day and night creams, which look like these. I don't know how I'm gonna use, who is gonna use, I'm just showing it to you guys. And then we have the serum. One of the things which I'm most excited in all my PR is the serums, more than any of the creams and anything, because I love serums. I'm obsessed with serums. So that was that. Thank you so much, Pond's. I'm blushing because I can see my camera battery flashing, and I just don't want to like end this video into like without battery. So yeah. Okay, next up we have Mars Cosmetics, one of my absolute favorite ones. I have their powders over here. So this is the Mars Wonder Powder, which I have used in one of my videos, if you have just seen on my Instagram. So this is how it looks. If you just press it like this, it just opens and you get 2 powders. I don't know why have they given like 2 different powders, but again, if you push it up, you get a puff. So good. I am in the shade 3, so I'm just gonna keep the shade 3. Then they have given me this Illuminati base primer, which is again a very like a iridescent gold primer. I just don't want to open and show you everything because you'll just get bored of it. So that was that. Next, I think they have sent in, yeah, these stuff. So next I have the same powder in like number 4, which I'm going to give away. I'm just going to add everything to the giveaway box. And then I have this eyeshadow palette, which is the, I don't know, which one is this? 15 eyeshadow palette, Fantasy eyeshadow palette. I already have their butter eyeshadow palette. I had their bigger ones, which was for $7.99 or something. I did a review video on them. Now I have this one. I gave that to my sister because I already have too much. So she is using that thoroughly. This one again, I'm gonna give it away because I have something else which is very exciting, which I want to try from Mars themselves. So this is going into the giveaway pile. Very brand new. I haven't even touched it or swatched it. This is the You Belong in My Purse eyeshadow palette. I have been wanting to trying this for long. Look at the shades. Oh my god, I love it. I am gonna try this, make a video on this very soon. So that was Mars. Thank you so much, Mars. Next up we have Pond's again. They have sent in their vitamin C serum and you can see my name. Oh my god, great. So this is the vitamin C serum. I cannot wait to try this, like cannot wait. And they have this lemon embossing which looks really cool. So thank you so much, Pond's. Again, I'm gonna try this. Like I have so many vitamin C serum overdose right now. It's unreal. It's unreal. I'm just gonna keep everything like in this, like my skincare box. Okay, next we have Bodice. Bodice has sent in their a couple of makeup products for me. First up, I have a mask. Cute. Thank you. Next up, I have the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. I already have it. I already have a lot of silicone primers. I'm gonna give this away to my sister. I'm just gonna put this in this box like straight away. Then we have the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Again, I think I have a lot of clay masks right now. I don't know if I want to use it. So what I'm gonna do is like I'll keep this into my maybe pile. Like I don't know if I'm gonna use it. So you know, if I don't end up using it, it'll go into the giveaway, because I do not want to like open too much stuff at one time. I'll just use one and then like open new product. Next up, I have this one from Plum. This is my favorite. Like this is like my third bottle or something. I don't know if I want this. I'm thinking to give it away. This is the green tea mist. Absolutely love this one. Next up, this is what I've used, and oh my god, this is so good. This is the vitamin C glow boosting micro, I don't even want to say what that is, but this is the Body Shop scrub, I would say, exfoliator. So I absolutely love that. I'm keeping it in that pile. And then we have lastly the Pack Lashes in 53. I have used this and I love it. And lastly, I have a purse from Bodes. So thank you so much again. Oh my god, the amount of boxes are on down is insane. Next up we have Kiro. We have 3 only left. Wow, okay, so good. Actually 4 only left. I was waiting for this one PR which was supposed to come since days, and I was like, okay, I'll film a video after that, but it's not happening. Like no, they haven't, it still hasn't reached. Maybe it comes, I'll enter a video right here. Next up we have Kiro Beauty. They have sent in their amazing pouch, and then I have their lipstick. This is their matte liquid lip non-stop airy. I don't know why my brain is just like pausing. I think it's because like I've just talked like so freaking much. Where should I apply it? Okay. This is the lipstick. I have used this like 3 times. I have some thoughts. I'm not going to talk about it here. Next up from Kiro, I have their kajal. Again, looks really cute. It's like a brown kajal. I really don't know if you can see. Like, can you see? It's brown. Throw all the boxes down because I just don't want any boxes right now. Next up from Kiro, we have the blush duo in 03. Cool cinnamon and fresh grapefruit. Thank you. Then we have 2 eyeshadow sticks, eye sticks. This is in the shade 01 and in the shade 05. Now I cannot wait to see how they look on my eyes. I've swatched it on my hands. They looked very exciting. So again, these are the 2. Second to last box, we have the Inside Cosmetics lipsticks. I have done a video on them. You will be seeing these very soon, but these are the lipsticks. Some amazing lipsticks. I think I'm wearing one of those. Yeah, I'm wearing the pink one right now. So this is the Checkmate shade which I'm wearing, and I absolutely love it. These are the swatches. I don't know why I have to swatch again, but these are the swatches. I just filmed a video on these, so you'll be seeing those. I think I'm just gonna like throw this box again out as well because I just don't need the boxes. And lastly but never the least, again Plum. Yesterday I went to the Plum store, not like yesterday, but for the day which you are watching for me yesterday, but I went to the Plum store any which ways, and they just sent me this as a gift, gave me this as a gift. Now I have a couple of their products which I already have, so which is the green tea pore cleansing face wash. Have that, use that. I'm gonna go into the giveaway pile. This is the yes, this is the green seed and sea buckathon serum. I think this is the oil based one. Let me just show you if I can just find it in my drawer. Oh yeah, got it. So this is the serum which they have gave me. I already have this one, so I'm just gonna keep this into the giveaway pile. And then I have this one, which is, I have been wanting to try this out. This is the Body Lovin' Body Oil vanilla one. This smells like cake and I want to eat a cake. Like, no joke, I want a cake right now. Then we have the I Swear by Kohl Kajal. This is like a retractable pen. You just, you know, like this one. So usually Plum Kajal is usually you have to sharpen it and all of that, but I have this one, so that's great. And lastly from Plum, I have the Plum Vitamin C Glow Boosting Vitamin C Serum, which is the 15% vitamin C. Cannot wait to try it out again. And that is the end of this PR haul. Oh my god, this is so... You don't want to see my room because my mom is literally going to hit me after seeing this. Like literally, yeah. that being said, I have my entire box full of giveaway goodies for you guys. So I cannot wait to give this away. I will give it away soon, probably in Diwali or something, I'm not sure. And those were all of the stuff that which brands have sent me. I'm so thankful and grateful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just let me know in the comments down below, and if you're still watching, oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to watch these videos, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.